To add a theme options to your WordPress website is very easy. Search for a plugin theme options Z or by author name Shyam Mukvana. Install and activate this plugin. This will add a new options under Settings menu, called Theme Options Z. Here you have two options, select text or text area. Click Add Field. Give your field a name and a value. And then click Save Changes button. This will create a unique shortcode. Copy this shortcode. You can paste this shortcode anywhere, for example, pages, posts, widgets, or even PHP files. In this example, I'll put this in a post. As you can see, shortcode has now replaced with value. When you change your option value, it will automatically update your post or page or wherever you have used shortcode. Now let's put another option in a widget. I'm going to use a text widget, but you can use any widget, as long as it supports shortcodes. Let me try updating some value. You see how easy it is to update values, no more hard-coded values now. Thanks for watching.